healthiest fruits you should eat daily, according to a dietitian. There is no such thing as an unhealthy fruit or vegetable. Eating a wide variety of fruits and vegetables will help you live a longer and healthier life. But what are the healthiest vegetables? What are the most nutritious fruits? 5.Oranges. Oranges are known for their high levels of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect the cells of your body from damage. Oranges also contain cardioprotective compounds known as flavanones, healthy compounds found in many citrus fruits. One study has linked these important compounds to the prevention of cardiovascular disease, atherosclerosis, and cancer. Researchers also suggested that flavanones have anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antimicrobial properties.